Hello and welcome to your latest edition of Eater TV. Now today I have some really great news. The NFL has come to an agreement with the NFL Players Association ending the lockout so we can finally have the regular officials that officiate NFL games. No longer will we have Division II high school or lingerie football league officials officiating games. So the debacle that took place in Green Bay at Seattle will no longer take place. It'll just be the regular bad calls, not the egregious bad calls. So thumbs up for the NFL, and can we have some better football for the rest of the season? Moving on to college football, I like to spend a couple seconds talking about Notre Dame. Their past game, they defeated Michigan, and in that game, it seemed as though every time Denard Robinson touched the football, he seemed to be turning it over. But for the first time in 10 years, Notre Dame is 4-0. And you know what I thought for a second? I thought to myself like this. I said, Craig, Notre Dame being relevant in college football is kind of like the Yankees to baseball, the Lakers to basketball, and the Dallas Cowboys to football. When Notre Dame is good, people either tune in to love to watch them win or love to watch them lose. So I'm glad that Notre Dame, at least this year, is having a good season, because for college football, it will make them more relevant than what they already are. Now, baseball, on the other hand, they're always relevant. And the aforementioned Yankees I had talked about in my last episode, when they were basically tied with the Orioles atop the AL East, well, it seemed as though they don't have a lot of breathing room, but they do have a one-game lead on the Orioles and a couple-game lead over the Rays. And it looks like going into the last week of the season, they will and can secure the AL East going into the playoffs. So as I said earlier, the cream always rises to the top. And it looks like the pinstripe Yankees are where they always are at the end of the season, atop of the AL East. My next episode next Wednesday, I'll be talking about how good the officiating has been, the playoffs, because we all know that these are the last days, the true dog days of the MLB season, and whatever other hot topics that are going on in sports. Thank you for taking the time out of your schedule to watch. Have a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.